have arrived in Portimão after 3.5 hours of train ride and about 5 minutes taxi drive, and then we're at our hotel. So it's very beautiful here. Really lovely Algarve area, and we're gonna be mostly relaxing, but I've written down a few things that we want to do and share with you guys. So one, we want to see the town. The town, I don't know what we'll see, but we'll see something and we'll show you what is there. Hanno told me of this fish village that is called Ponto Vela, and we're gonna have sardines there, and I can't wait to experience that. We're also gonna do random stuff, so we don't know. In the video you'll see some of these random stuff that we do while we are in the town. We're gonna be sightseeing by foot, so we don't have a car. Everything we're gonna do is gonna be by foot, mostly, or by public transportation, so we'll show you that as well. And of course, sleep and eat and a bit of reading. So enjoy the video, and I'll talk to you soon. Ciao. Look who is coming in. We sent him for towel. It's not open, Hanno. Probably check the other side, David. Look who the towel guy is here. So we are going on a road trip. So somebody couldn't stick to the plan. Somebody had to get a car. I'm not calling any names. So somebody had to get a car, and we're driving to the end of the world. Guys, this is literally the end of the world. Hannah, are you sure you're on the right side? It's literally the end of the world. It is the last point on the mainland of Europe before you get to America. And it's according to Encyclopedia Hanno, it is the first point of the mainland Europe you'll see when you come from America. Don't quote me on it because I don't know, but according to Hanno, that's how it is. So we are excited to go on this road trip. David, say after 2, 1, 2, road trip.
That's good.
This is the last tip of Europe before America. This is beautiful.
Surfing lessons that I need to do.
What do you need to do?
Surfing. They do surfing lessons.
And this is it. We're here, and this is it. We're at the end of the... It's very impressive. I know I said I'm a little bit disappointed seeing that there are so many... It's so tourist...
It should be...
No, it's tourist... How do you say that, Hannah?
It's a tourist area.
It's very touristic. Lord, thank you very much. It's very touristic, but it's still nice. You can lock that part out because once you come through the main gate, then you pass the tourist place, then you really see the nature, the natural landscape of the end of Portugal. Actually, the end of Europe mainland.
Yeah.
It's pretty impressive, I'm not gonna lie.
And you see
And,
where the sky meets the water.
Yes, that's
For
true.
flat earthers, this is a place where you fall down.
Yeah, I mean, if we had that, if we still had that belief that the earth was flat, this would be where we would
No,
step off.
There are people on YouTube and so on, they really tell you it's like this.
Yeah.
At least for
Okay.
Americans.
Ciao, guys.
Seems to
Ciao.
be an alternative.
Just gonna take a
reality.
seat on the cliff edge and relax. Probably have a beer and a dive.
Sing them.
Guys. So I have a little fun fact to tell you guys, right? About myself. I love to buy things on sale. And it doesn't matter the size, it doesn't matter nothing. I just love to buy things on sale. So went shopping to buy bikini for Jamaica. And I went in the store and in M&S and I saw this size UK 20 underwear. Mind you, I'm a size 12 going on to 14, size 12, 14. And I saw this size 20 underwear, bikini bottom, and I decided to buy it. It's about, it's literally falling off me when I put it on, so it doesn't make any sense. Anyways, your girl went and asked the hotel staff for a sewing kit. So they gave me a little sewing kit, and I'm gonna stitch my bikini bottom to wear right now because I have no other choice. So that's a fun fact about Danielle. I like to buy sale and I don't like to spend a lot of money on clothes. So while I'm over here sewing my bikini bottom, David is pretending to be a whale and Hannah is over here sunbathing. So that's our beach adventure. Oh my god. Where are you going to take the most expensive thing to eat?
T-bone, 500 grams. T-bone steak, 500 grams. Nope. Orange chicken kebab.
Up to you.
I don't okay.
That's a good one, David. Your reaction was priceless. He just noticed that I'm filming. Okay, we're going to choose something to eat and then we'll show you the food when we get it, okay? See you later. So, obviously, I want to tell you what we're having. I am having chicken peri-peri. Hannah is having lamb cutlets. And David is
Everybody
having
knows what I'm
spare
having.
ribs.
Spare ribs. Spare.
Good morning, guys. So I thought this is a really good clip to capture because although I'm on holiday, I try to still put in some work in the gym. It's just, no matter how busy you get, no matter what you're doing, no matter where you are, it is very important to keep your body healthy, your body and your mind. I think when I work out, it's not only my body that I keep fit, it's also my mind. It somehow clears my mind. And I just want to share this with you, this moment, that it is important to keep your mind and your body in track, or on track. Okay, catch you later.